Alright, today we'll discuss about the users of the management accounting information or the management accounting system and also with the management advisory services, no? So sino-sino ba yung mga kasama, no, or who are the users of it? So let's begin. So first of all, we'll discuss first about the introduction to MAS. So as part of the management accounting system or the management advisory services, number one, it provides financial and non-financial information to managers. Number two, it also helps in planning, controlling, decision making, and it focus no on internal rather than external. Di ba class? In terms of the MAS, we used or we focus more on the internal rather than the external. Okay. And number two class, no, the categories of the MAS users are number one, the internal users. It is within the organization. And the last one is all about the external users. It is the outside the organization. Yes, kasama rin yung sa labas, pero with limited lang. With limited access to your MAS data. Okay. Okay. So, as to the internal users, of course, our top management. So, bakit top management? Simply because of their decision making, strategic decision making. Our middle managers, no, monitoring, operations, and controlling of costs. And also we have the lower level of managers. And you have your day-to-day operations or day-to-day decisions. Okay. As to other internal users, is you have number four, our employees, and also about our internal auditors. Okay. Uh, Particularly, in terms of the employees, use performance. Okay. Performance reports for evaluation and incentives. We have also our internal auditors to ensure accuracy and efficiency, and we have our compliance. And to our external users, no, and they have limited MAS access. Sino-sino ito? Investors and stakeholders. They only evaluate the performance, no? Or the management performance. Ano pa? Yung ating creditors, lenders, they access lang the operational efficiency and profitability. Okay? We have also your government and regulators. Okay? Ito naman is about uh, assessing the operational efficiency and profitability. Okay? And also the government and regulators, lalo na sa BIR. Alright, use data for tax and compliance checks. Okay. So, ito class, no? Part of the external users or of limited MAS access. And the importance of this MAS information, no? So, ano yung mga importance niya? Enhances managerial control, supports budgeting and forecasting, aids also in the uh, about the strategic and operational planning, and promotes cost efficiency and performance evaluation. So, yan yung mga importance ng ating MAS information. Enhanced managerial control, supports budgeting and forecasting, aids in strategic and operational planning, and promotes the efficiency and performance evaluation. Okay. Alright. Ito naman yung example of the MAS. Okay? Ano yung mga sample ng MAS reports? Responsibility accounting, budget reports, various analysis, cost and benefit analysis, the performance dashboard. So, yan ay paikot-ikot, no? Part of the examples of the MAS reports. So, hindi lang yan. Napakadami pa ng mga management reports, no? So, yan ay to be discussed later, no? Okay. And of course, with the summary of it, no, as the internal users and the users of information, MAS primarily serves as an or part of the internal management. It provides also data for decision making, control, and the performance measurement. And the last one, for the external users benefit indirectly from the summarized MAS reports. So that's part no, of the summary of the users of information. And the last one, management accounting. Conclusion, management accounting daw is not just about numbers. Yes, it's about transforming data into your decision that drives success. Again, management accounting is not just about numbers, it's about transforming data into the decision that drives success. So again, thank you very much and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.